Wagwan guys, what's good guys? It's Thursday morning. So let's see how it goes. Time is currently 9:45 a.m. and I want to enter my chart now to see what's currently playing on. Today we are gonna trade today. Definitely. I'm gonna take things serious today. Yesterday I wasn't able to trade. The day before yesterday I wasn't able to trade. Like since this week I've not taken any trade on that account. On Tuesday I was very busy. I wanted to trade, but my setup didn't really come before I finally broke down on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, let's say I used Wednesday to recover, and today here I am again, strong and healthy. So let's go. Let's see how things go. Let me move to my chart.
So guys, last night this move happened last night. Let's check the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, not last night, sha, earlier this morning. Earlier this morning. This was the move that happened earlier this morning. Price took out this. Where is this guy? Okay, Price took out this neckline right here. Price took out this neckline. Yeah, Price took out this neckline right here, and I was contemplating on buying yesterday. So not even yesterday, it was earlier this morning around 12 a.m. I was contemplating on buying from here, then taking my profit around there. But thank God for my discipline of not bridging my trading plan. I didn't buy because not taking any trade on Tuesday, I didn't take any trade on Wednesday, and just imagine earlier this morning, which was Thursday, I wanted to enter a trade by 12 a.m. Bro, are you kidding me? Meanwhile, that's not what's in my trading plan. Thank God I was very, very disciplined enough not to enter the trade. And eventually, price didn't really go that direction. Look at the 15 minutes. I missed the entry on 5 minutes, but I wanted to really enter on the 15 minutes, guys. I wanted to really enter on the 15 minutes. I told myself that if price take out this neckline with the full body candle, I'm going to be entry. And Viola, price just kissed the neckline and reversed. So that was what happened. That was what happened. So this morning now, what am I looking forward to this morning? Um First of all, let's do the top-down analysis. Let's hop over to our weekly time frame. Let's go to our weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame. W. We're gonna win a trade today. So this was currently playing on our weekly time frame. So price is currently heading over to this level. Yeah, price is currently heading over to this level, and this is the overall target. At least before this week runs out, if price can get to this level, I'll be happy. I'll be happy. So let's check the daily time frame. What's the daily time frame saying? On the daily time frame, we have about three levels on the daily time frame. The first level here, but this level now is no longer, will I say it's no longer valid? There's also a level here, but I'll just regard this as a weekly level. There's a daily level here that is proving to be stubborn. There's some kind of hesitation, or there's some kind of price hesitation around this level. This level that's this candle, this indecision candle. What will I call this? A bullish pin bar. I don't know. Yeah, should be a bullish pin bar. There's it reacted, causing this bearish pin bar. Yeah, this one is bearish pin bar. This is not a bullish pin bar. This is hammer, bullish hammer. It's not bullish actually. The candle is bearish, but assuming the candle is bearish, you see the color of the candle black. It's looking like a bullish pin bar, but will I call it a bullish pin bar whereby the candle is still bearish? Confusion all the way. See, guys, the names of those things doesn't matter. The names of all these candlestick patterns doesn't really matter. What matters is you understanding the psychology behind it. Me, I know the psychology behind this is that sellers took price down up to this level, up to around 2,393. Sellers took price down up to, let me just zoom in. Let me zoom in. Good. Sellers took price down up to this level, but eventually, okay, it came to test this daily level. Eventually, buyers reversed price, took price back up to this level, up onto this level, before finally sellers took it down again to around this level, and it closed bearish. But the whole psychology behind this candle is that buyers are strong in this market. Sellers were present. Sellers did something, something noticeable. But eventually, the strength of the buyers at this point in time were very, very strong, such that they could take price back up to this level. That's just it. That's just the psychology behind it. I think I remember this day. That was the day I won a trade. Yeah, this candle, this is a daily time frame actually. But I remember this was the day I won that trade. If you want us to check, let's check it. So the date is, look at the date beneath, look at the date around here. The date is 12th July 2024. It's on the 12th that this happened. So let's check. I think it was on the 12th I won the trade. let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you guys what I actually meant. So on the 12th, I won the trade. Perfect, guys. Look at it. Oh, good. I'm just so used to this chart. You see the date here. Look beneath again. See the date on the 12th of July. So this was what happened. Sellers, like I told you, like I explained to you guys from the daily candle, sellers were able to take price down to this level, but buyers say no, we not agree. Buyers took it back up to this level before finally sellers took it down a little bit and it closed bearish. If you check now, for that day, it will close around 12 a.m. If you check 12 a.m. now, look at, let me do something. Where is my horizontal line? Or let me just use trend line to do it. Let's check for 12 a.m. I know this thing too well, like 12 a.m. This is it, guys. This is it. 12 a.m. This is it. You see, let's check the beginning of the day. 12 a.m. on Thursday, 12 a.m. on Friday to 12 a.m. on okay, this was when on Friday. Okay, 12 a.m. on Friday to okay, I'll start from 12 a.m. on Thursday. I think this should be 12 a.m. Okay, this is 11. 12 a.m. Good. Let me mark it out. 12 a.m. I just want to point out something to you guys. Like, I understand this thing so well. Good. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. You see, I remember I told you guys that sellers took price down to this level. Sellers succeeded in taking price down to this level. But buyers say no. Buyers, the strength of buyers were very, very high. The strength of the buyers took it back up. Buyers took it back up to this level before finally sellers took it down a little bit before finally the candle closed. Shit. Before finally the candle closed. Yeah, before finally the candle closed bearish. So look at the movement from here to here to here to here. This was the movement, and I explained that to you guys on the on from the daily time frame. Just imagine, I can see what is happening on the smaller time frame from the daily time frame. I can see what's happening on the smaller time frame on the daily time frame. It's all good. Let's go back to our daily time frame. That was just a digression, by the way. That was a digression. So what were we saying? So I was saying that this level now, there was some sort of hesitation around this level. So I regard this as a strong level as well. But I wouldn't be joining it on the daily time frame because I already have my weekly level there. So weekly level covers up for the daily level that I was meant to draw around here. So that's good. So now this particular level now, I'll be deleting this level because I don't need it following the current market structure, the current market price. I don't need this level above until price takes out this level. That's when I'll be needing this level. So I already have my zones here and here. But okay, one, uh, 1, 2. I'll be man, this thing there. Okay. So I have this low here. I have this weekly level here. The price comes here, depending on what price does, depending on the price action around this level, depending on what price does around this level. Depending on what price does around this level. Oh, sorry. Depending on what price does around this level, whether if price respects it, then I'll be buying. If price disrespects it, then I'll be selling to this level. So either ways, I'm open. Like I'm very open to anything that will happen. So if price respects it, I'll buy to this level. If price disrespects it, I'll sell to this level. So that's just it, guys. But I'm more on the bearish side, actually. I'm more on the bearish side. I have the bearish bias because as you can see from here, since Wednesday last week, sellers have been dominant in the market. So let's see. Then I'll head over to the 4 hours time frame. I'm thinking of adjusting this daily level to this particular point, price points. Yeah, let me just adjust it. This is a low at that point in time. This is a low, led to a high. Yeah, this is a low. It's valid. What was the close price? 2396.420. 2396.420. 420. 2396.420. So that's it, guys. Then let me just adjust this guy a little bit. A little bit. Let me adjust it a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. Um, that's okay. So we have that pretty set. Then this is the weekly level that I'm looking at. Although for the daily level, this is overall level on the daily time frame. So Let's see. Since price is in the middle of nowhere, no level around this area, the price is just in the middle of nowhere. Let's check our action time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame and the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, I went to the 3 minute by mistake. 4H, 4 hours time frame. Okay, I'm already on the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, what's up with the weak rejection, guys? What's up with the weak rejection? So on the 4 hour time frame now, what do I have on the 4 hours time frame? What do we have? I have the high and the low. So price has not gotten to this level. I don't know why it's rejecting. What's up with the weak rejection, guys? What's up with the weak rejection? What's currently the time? Time is okay, 9:59 a.m., almost 10 a.m. So I don't know what's up with the weak rejection. Um, but price is not yet on this daily level. So why is it reversing? I see something. I see something. Price is reacting off this level. Is reacting off this level, which is kind of not usual. It's unusual actually. Price is reacting off this level, which is quite unusual for me, which is quite unusual. So I don't know why price is reacting off that level, but as you can see, price is reacting off that level. Is it that price is going to retest this 4 hours level or the daily level? We don't know, but price action is going to do its work for us. This is a level from the 4 hours time frame, so I'll just give it the name 4H. It's quite unusual for price to react off that level. Okay, let me not say it's unusual, but it's quite surprising that price is reacting off that level. Yeah, it's surprising actually. So what's the close price? 2361.680. 2361.680. Let's go over and correct that. 23. Are you sure? What's the close price? 2367.470. Okay, 470. 470. 470. Then we're good. Then I'll just have to lock it. So I don't know why price is reacting of this level. It's kind of unusual. Is it like what was the other word I used? Let's go to our 1 hour time frame. The hourly time frame. The hourly time frame. Oh, I see. Weak rejections. Ah, nice. That means price is kind of paying some respect to this level. Price is kind of paying some respect to this level. So on the 1 hour time frame, I have some levels on the 1 hour time frame. I have a low. I have a high. This is the high I have on the 1 hour time frame. Just that means I'll have to take out this level. Um, for the meantime, yeah, that level is not necessary, it's not needed. Then I have a high on the 1 hour time frame. What's the close price? 2377.685, 2377.685, 685, 2377.685, 685. Then okay, closing. Then I have so I'm gonna go ahead and label it as the hourly time frame. It's my hourly time frame, so I'll know where it's coming from. So on the hourly time frame, we have some weak rejections, and yeah, the first week tapping, the second week tapping, which is a sign of respect to this level, a sign of respect to this 4 hours level. So I'll be taking a buy. I'll be taking a buy if price. I just saw something now that is funny, guys. I just saw something that is funny. It wanted to hold, but it didn't hold. There was a post I saw on Instagram. Someone was buying from around this level, or someone had a long position to around this level. As I saw it, I just laughed. Yeah, I saw a trader. It's good actually, but he had a buy position to around this level. And something like this is what he had, something like this on the hourly time frame. He just put it out there. Early hours of the morning, person did this. When did this candle turn bearish? 2 a.m. So early hours of the morning, I saw someone having a buy position to around this level. I think it's an SMC trader. Uh, that's by the way. So if price takes out this hourly level, I'll be buying good up onto this 4 hours level. I think the other level above is the daily level. Let's check daily time frame. Let's see where it's coming from. I'm heading over to the daily time frame. Don't get confused, guys. I understand every single thing I'm doing. As long as I see where the daily time frame is coming from. So let's go back to our hourly time frame. So if price takes out this level, I'll be hopping on a buy to around this level to fill this guy out, to fill it up. I don't know. The card is too long. It needs some bullish, pullback, some bullish pullback around this level. You feel me? To fill this guy up. Although it might be slow and choppy, but anyhow, as long as the market is moving, we make money. So I'll be taking on a buy to fill up this level around this point in time. So that's just it, guys. But if price does the opposite and takes out, so we have two hourly level right here. We have okay, 1, 2, 3, coming to there's this level. Okay. I see something. We have another hourly level around here. We have another hourly level around here. What's the close price of this candle? 2372.175. 2372.175. 175. 175. So perfect. I like perfection. Yeah. Perfect. So the reason I did this price is the coordinates is because I don't want to just have my level on anyhow price. I want it to be on the exact price of the close of the candle. So you feel me? So price is currently doing exhibiting some hesitation around this level. Anything that happen, if price takes out this guy and shows me some bearish confirmation, my confirmation, some bearish confirmation, I'll be selling, I'll be shorting. And my overall level target will be the weekly level, most likely the weekly level, but maybe first target, let's see how many pips. Let's see how many pips to the downside first. Let's see how many pips to the downside. So okay, price did this coming back here. Okay. This was around 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Okay. Yeah, it's already my time to trade. So if price takes out this level, let's see. Let me check how many pips. It's the pip count that matters, actually, the pip count. How many pips to the downside? We have about 100 pips to the daily, okay, 120 pips to the daily level and about 300 plus pips to the weekly level. So yeah, this is just what's gonna happen. So most likely this can happen today. Price might rally down this much today, and it might not. The week is about to end. Today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. Anything can happen. Price might just rally down to this level today, then range throughout tomorrow. Depending on it, anything can happen. Let me check if there are fundamentals. Let me check if there are fundamentals. So I'll just head over to my fsbook.com. That's where I check my fundamentals. myfsbook.com, not the position size calculator. I calculate my risk on here, but I still use this platform to as my economic calendar. Oh shit, bro! Look at the various high impact news that we have today, guys. Look at the various high impact news we have today, even tomorrow, guys. Bro, things are gonna happen in this market. Things are really gonna happen. And I hate it when we have so many high impact news at the same time. But let's see if all of them are speaking the same language. And all of them are around 1:30, bro. All of them 1:30 p.m. So let's see if they're speaking the same language. So we have the previous of this guy is 234.75. The consensus is 236, which is this for this particular news is showing that US is going to be strong. Okay. Then for this one now, previous was 0.1%. The consensus is 0.3%, showing that USD is gonna be strong. Okay. This one is 243. This is where things are now changing. 243K, the consensus is 238K, showing that US is going to be weak. Okay, we have two strong and one weak. 1867K, 1860K. The consensus is lower than the previous, which shows that US is going to be weak. Okay, now they are still contradicting themselves. The news, I hate it when different news. Okay, how would I even put it? I hate it when news contradict themselves. All these news, they are coming out at the same time, and some of them are already contradicting. I hate it. So we have 0.2%, we have two positive, two negative already. So we have 0.2%. The consensus is 0.1%, which is showing positive. 0.1% consensus is 0.2%, which is showing positive. 1.4%, 2%, which is showing positive. So at this point in time, we have positive. Okay, where's my annotation? Where's my annotation? Annotation. Okay. So we have this guy, positive, positive. Then we have negative, negative. Okay. Then we have positive again. We have positive, positive, positive. So at this point in time now, the positive is kind of winning. So we have about 5 positive and 2 negative news. So, but guys, take note of this. I'm not judging from the consensus. This is just a mere forecast. All these values are just a mere forecast. The actual will really determine what's going to happen. But from the forecast, for instance, now if my weather forecast is telling me that it's going to rain today, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to rain today. But what are the chances of it raining? High, something like that. It might rain, it might not rain, but it's just a forecast. So just same way that all these guys are just a forecast. They are forecast values. So when the actual value comes out, we really know what will happen or how price is going to react. But from the forecast, yeah, from the consensus, we have 5 positive news and 2 negative news. So if eventually price follows suit and if eventually the release the actual values goes in line with the consensus, that means it's telling us that since USD is going to be strong, it's telling us that we have to sell XAU USD, right? Yeah, if USD is strong, we have to sell XAU USD, correct? We have to sell XAU USD. So that means my overall direction, like my bearish direction, you get, my direction is bearish. Sorry about that. My overall direction on gold is bearish, and the news forecast is in line with it, something like that. So that's just it, guys. Let me just do away with these guys. I'm done. Do away with these guys. So let's head over to our chart. Let's head over to our chart. So now, like I was saying, if price takes out this level, I'll be selling. But the market is just so choppy. Like, let's see. So there's like this be a breakout. Yeah, this is a particular pattern that good does a lot. According to my mentor, the person that taught me, person that taught me how to trade good. Why are my tools not showing now? Oh my goodness. Ah, okay. Urgh. Guys, let me just close this guy and open it again. When in doubt, zoom out. Yeah. When you're in doubt, it's okay to love trading, just like I love trading. It's okay to love trading. It's okay to love trading. So, let's see, it's loading again. It's loading again. So perfect. So just like I was saying, this is a particular pattern that good does a lot. Let me show you guys. Let me open your eyes. This is a particular pattern that good does a lot. Let me open your eyes. Your eyes are closed, but let me open it for you. This is a particular pattern that good does a lot. This particular pattern. Let's say is creating higher highs and higher lows. To create a high here, come down here, test it, come back here. So this is what is currently happening. If this guy eventually breaks out, if this guy eventually breaks out for this level, it's going to be an impulsive breakout. Oh my God. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. This is going to be an impulsive breakout. So let me just do some spacing. Let me space it out. It's going to be an impulsive breakout if this eventually happens. Yeah, if this eventually happens, it's going to be an impulsive breakout. So this is it. If this happens, impulsive breakout. If this happens, impulsive breakout. So we have these various levels. Coming, just want to adjust one or two. So we have that level, then we have this level again. We have this level as well. Then we can extend this guy to around this level. We can extend this guy. Yeah. So we have something like this. Then we have this level as well. We have this level as well. So if this happened, it took out this level, it retested, came back again, respected this guy, came back again, respected this guy. The breakout is going to be, if it finally takes out this guy, the breakout is going to be impulsive. So that's just what I was trying to illustrate to you guys. Yeah, that's just what I was trying to illustrate to you guys. So eventually, if price takes out this level, I'll be expecting an impulsive breakout, just like this guy. You see hesitation here, impulsive breakout, hesitation, impulsive breakout. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. That's just it. Just keeping it simple. So on the man, So that's just keeping it simple. So it has already tested this guy, came back down, respected this guy, came here, respected this guy, now come here. 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes time frame, uh I just let price just come down. Man, this auto skill something is just annoying. Let price just come down. Let this guy just come down. Just come down. So anyhow, it's just reactions are just happening around this level. Price just reacting off this level. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. This color again. Hate this color. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Yeah. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. What is price doing? Show me a clear pattern. So price taking out this level, retesting, taking out the neckline, enter for a buy. Price taking out this level, retesting, takes out the neckline, enter for a sell. Oh, that's just it, guys. Then my entry is based on 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. So let's talk about my risk management plan. My risk management plan. Price is currently in a nasty range. It's a nasty damn range. So since we're in the range, now let's apply our range trading technique, our range trading style. Let's apply our range trading style. So price taking out either of this level, retesting, poof, going for a buy for a long. Price currently in a nasty range, which is annoying. I hate rangy market. I hate rangy market. I hate it. Guys, I hate rangy markets. One can just enter for a short around here. Then stop loss around here. It's 5 pips. Then um your target around here. That's one ratio 4 risk to reward. One ratio 4 risk to reward. This is for swing traders, bro. This is for swing traders. I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader. This is for swing traders. Oh, this is for swing traders. Should you enter this particular trade? Should you enter? No, I'm not a swing trader. Don't go against your rule. So, guys, let's talk about risk management. Let's head over to the dashboard of our competition. Funded next. Funded next. Okay, guys, login successful. Competition. We have just 30K participants surviving. 30K, just 50K when this thing started, but we have only 30K surviving. Then let's go to our profile. Okay. 5,455th position out of 30K, bro. Out of 30K. Okay, then the growth curve. So remember, we are risking just $375 in London session, then 375 in New York session. So is it 375? Let me check my book. Let me check my book. Chill, guys. Chill out. Chill out. Where is my journal, my book? So remember, we are still sticking to the risk from day one. We're still sticking to the risk from day one. So we have how many USD we have 357 USD to risk today. So yeah, I need trade 357 USD to risk in London session and 357 USD to risk in New York session. So that's pretty much the risk. That's pretty much the risk, guys. That's pretty much the risk. Ooh. It's a, it's a nasty range. Anyways, guys, that's just it. I might be heading out soon, so I'll be checking the rest from my phone. I'll be looking at the rest things from my phone. Let's see. Correction, impulse. Look at impulse, correction, impulse. It's currently correcting. and it's annoying. That's just it, guys. Let's head over to the 15 minutes time frame once more. Yeah, that's it's just a mere correction. Just a mere correction. Let's see how it goes. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. Let me switch to my phone.
So what's good, guys? Good morning. Um, yeah, it's morning already. Yesterday, I finally I was able to take a trade yesterday, and although I was just so busy to record it and all of that, so I will just I'll just go ahead to my chart and show you guys what I did yesterday. So let's go to the chart.
So guys, let's head over. This is the 1 hour time frame. This was yesterday. As I yesterday, let's head over to the 15 minutes time frame where I took my entry. So I took my entry on the 15 minutes time frame, and yeah, I told you guys I had a sell bias yesterday. So as at what was the time that yesterday? 1:15 p.m. Yeah. As at 1:15 p.m. I had an entry. And okay, as for the entry now, um, I see what happened. Since we were in the ranging market, yeah, the market was rangy, and I mapped out the highest level and the lowest level of the range. Then let me just extend this guy. Let me just extend this guy. No, no, no. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, I mapped out the highest level and lowest level of the range. So this is the high and this is the low. So my plan or for the strategy I trade for the ranging market, the strategy states that if we have a ranging market on good, and for us to have an entry, the candle that takes out, if a candle takes out the range with a full body, yeah, just like this now, this is a bearish candle to the downside. This candle took out it broke out from the range with a full body. We said our entry should be on the next candle, and our stop loss should be above the candle that took out the range. So this was it. I had my entry here. As the candle took it out, I had my entry here, and I had my stop loss above the candle that took out the range. My stop loss was around here, and my stop loss are about 49 point something pips, and I was targeting this overall weekly level. So since the reason I even targeted this weekly level was because price was just few pips away from this particular daily level. I'm sure this level is from the daily time frame. As you can see from the D, is from the daily time frame. So the distance between how many pips? Let's check. The distance between this candle now. The distance between this candle and yeah, it's just about okay, let's say 42 pips. So it was just so small. So I felt price will eventually rally to the downside and come to this level. So that was my speculation. But eventually I got stopped out, and yeah, I just got stopped out. And one thing I did here was that I went all in. Like I used all of my daily risk on this trade. It was 1:15 p.m. close to London session, New York session opening. We're still in London session, close to New York session opening. But I felt that if this move should happen, if this move should play out, there might not be an opportunity to enter again during New York session. So that's why I just went all in on my risk of 714 USD. So I risked 714 USD on this trade. So let me now show you from my MT5, what I did on my MT5. Let me show you from what I did on my MT5. So this is my MT5. As you can see, what just happened. You see, the sub positions there, right? They still now disappeared. It's all good. So, shit, man. This was the trade I took yesterday. Okay, yeah, this was the trade I took yesterday. I entered the 1.43 lot, and remember I told you my stop loss was around 40, 50 pips, 49, 50 pips. Yeah, same thing. Then, yeah, this was why I lost. I lost 712 USD on that trade yesterday. Yeah, I lost 712 USD on that trade yesterday. So, um, Yeah, that was just it. That was just it, guys. That was just it. If you see my entry, let's compare now. My entry here was 2365.18. Yeah, my entry was around 2365.18. If you check it from here, let's see. Let me zoom in. Entry two three. Let me adjust this guy. You see, 2361.65.18, same thing, same entry. Then my stop loss, everything I have on my trading view, I'm that disciplined, such that everything I have on my trading view is what I have on my MT5. My stop level was around 2370.16. You see it from here, my stop loss. See, my SL 2370.16. Same thing, guys. Same thing. I don't do mago on my charts. Anything I have on my chart, that and I don't adjust stop levels. Once I hit my stop loss, I hit my stop loss. That's how I am. That's how disciplined I am. So then my take profit target was around, okay, I think it's that one I didn't really set. Yeah, okay. You see, I didn't set take profit. You see, I didn't set take profit yet. So assuming price had gone in my favor, probably I would have set my take profit. So that was just it, guys. That was just it. So guys, that was just it regarding the whole trade setup. You see, after price stopped me out with some weak and all of that, it went a little bit in my favor, then reversed. So that was just pretty much it. Actually, that was pretty much it. I don't know. So what I can say now is that price just respected this level. Let me just adjust this my position size too. I don't even know what's wrong, guys. Like with week, like one candle just wiped me out. One candle wiped me out. One candle. So as you can see now, what price is that? Price respected this level, and this level I think is from the daily time frame. Let's head over to the daily time frame. To the daily time frame. On the daily time frame now, look at what we have. You see, price just respected this level on the daily time frame. Very, very valid level. Price just respected this and all of that. So man. Oh god. It's just so crazy, man. Guys, it's just so crazy. So at this point in time now, I don't really know what's wrong with. Is it my strategy or because guys, I've if you watch from the beginning of this whole thing, I've tried as much as possible to be disciplined. Honestly, I've tried as much as possible to be disciplined. 75, there's something. Yeah, I've tried as much as possible to be disciplined as much as I can. So I don't really know what's wrong, guys. What's wrong? Now we are down. We are down how many percent? We are down about. Let's check the dashboard. No, let me use Google Chrome. Let's check our dashboard. Logging. Why undefined? Why are you telling me undefined, bro? Let's go again. Successful login. Then the competition, we only have about 22,000 traders left, bro. Man, 22,000 traders left. And no, no, profile. This one is upcoming. Okay, no, sorry, 30,000 traders left. Oh, we already have September competition. Like we are currently in July competition. So let's see profile. How many so I'm down about 0.67%. I'm down about 0.67%. And guys, My win rate is 20%, guys. Just imagine win rate 20%, loss rate 80%. This is my current rank, 6,350th position. You see, this is the current the current graph down, up, down, 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 down. Ah, so I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. This is my rank 600, 6,350th position out of 50,000 traders that were participating. I'll be 52,000 traders. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let's head over to our chart. So that's pretty much it, guys. That was how yesterday's trade went. So one thing I would say I know I violated one rule actually, but it wasn't really that significant. But at least I violated the rule. The rule I violated was not from the entry, no. The rule I violated was the risk management, in the sense that since the time was ready, if you check the time I entered this trade was 1:15 p.m. It was not yet New York session, but I went all in. Remember, I told you guys I'll be splitting my risk, London and New York. So I entered all my risk on London session because it was still 1:15 p.m. So assuming I would have entered half in London session, then once it's 2 p.m. downwards, probably I would have spotted another entry that would make me to go in on New York session, something like that. So you feel me, guys? You feel me? Probably I would have even spotted a buy. Maybe I would have bought. I don't know, but maybe. Let's see. From 2 p.m. downwards, from 2 p.m. downwards. Would I have been able to spot an entry? Probably I would have not been able to spot an entry, something like that. But that's just it, guys. So let me just include it. Let me just add it. Let me see. Let's see. This thing is just so painful, actually. It's painful. But it's all good. We just move on. Learn the lesson, pick up the pieces, and move on. That's just it. So I want to do something. Let me just how would I do this now? Okay, let me just go back and do a lot of things that I've done here. I want that my position size to be this is what I was looking for. So something like this, yeah, good. So yeah, this is what I wanted to do. So let me just screenshot this. This was the entry I had. I used the box trading concepts, that's the consolidation market concepts. And eventually, I think this is a perfect view of it. So let me just let me journal the trade, a day to remember. Where's my WhatsApp? Journal. The mistake I made on this trade, I just made this one mistake on this trade. Mistakes. I used all of my daily risk when it's during London session. So what lesson now can I learn from these lessons? Always use half of your daily risk during London session and the other half during New New York session. So that's the way it's supposed to be. Half during London session, half during New York session. Even though the time is even though the time is 12:59, sorry, 1:59 p.m. I wouldn't and I want to enter a trade by 1:59 p.m. I wouldn't use all of my daily risk. I'll just use half because 1:59 p.m. is still London session. So that's why I'll just be doing it, guys. So this is just the lesson and mistake. That's just the lesson and the mistake from yesterday's trade. Lessons and mistakes from yesterday's trade. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So that's it. Let me send it out. So loading, 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 loading. Oh yeah, now upload. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I don't have much time. I have to be in school very soon. So yes, yeah, this is it. I'm done. Yeah, that's it, guys. So let's head over to our chat once more. So today now is a new day. Today is Friday, and I'll be looking forward I'll be reanalyzing again. That will be on a different video. I don't want this video to be too long. And let's see if we can take a trade today. I have an event to attend. I have a forex campus tour to attend. So yeah, I'll be filming everything that will be happening there. Yeah. So let's switch to my face. So guys, like I said, this entry now, let me add one more. This entry now I had, like it was apt, honestly. I entered this trade based off the strategy. And I can show you if you want me to show you. Let me show you. So guys, this is it. Yeah, this is it. You see, box trading concept. So this was it. Execution where the market moves sideways, you can see on all time frames. That of a smaller time frame doesn't last long, which gives us good trade setup. Let me just skip to the good part. So you see, draw a box on the consolidating market, including the candle wicks, then wait for a candlestick to break the box with its full candle body. So you see, I drew the same thing. I drew a box around that region, and this was even on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, the image can't show very well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see from your 15 minutes time frame, this is on XAUSD. Same blue cam is on under. You see the box he drew. Then from the image above, we can see a fake out. Okay, a fake out candle. The candle tries to break to the upside but melts back down, leaving the wick. Which is this? Yeah, this was a fake out. This was a fake out candle. But eventually, sorry guys, eventually, now let's keep going. Let me show you something. Okay, finally, we see a break to the downside with the body of the candle. So we'll take an entry on the next candle. Our stop loss above the candle that broke out of the box and target 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So just see. So eventually it broke to the downside. You see, same thing that happened yesterday. A full body candle broke to the downside. Same time frame self is even happening. 15 minutes time frame. A full body candle broke to the downside. And just to watch, he entered and his stop loss was above the candle that broke out of the box and it's targeting 1:2, right? So just look at my own. Look at what he did and look at the result at the end. At the end, he hit take profit. Oh my God. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. At the end of the day, he entered and stop loss above the candle that that broke out of the box, full body candle, and price went in his favor. Why is it that in my own situation, I be in my own time, price didn't go in my favor? Same thing happened there again. Same thing happened there. He hit stop loss. I'm sorry, he hit his targets. Take profit now. Let's play that as expected. Let's try one more example. Let's see. Okay, this one is to the upside. You see, to the upside. And what happened? He hit his target. So why is it that in my own time, trade played out as expected? Why is it that in my own time, just look at my own now. Why is it that my own is different, guys? See my own. Why is it that my own has to be different? Why? Why? See, exactly what he explained. It's only 15 minutes time frame, he did his own. Look at the box, my box. I included the wicks of the candle. Look at my box. So eventually this candle took out the neckline, took out the box. This candle took out the box. I entered on this candle. My stop loss above the candle that took out the box. And instead of price to just start going in my favor, Although I didn't target 1:2, we say we should target 1:2. But even though I targeted 1:2, just imagine. Okay, let's see. I targeted one. My target was 1:2. Let's imagine my target was 1:2 now. Let's see. Let's see. Just let's imagine my target was 1:2. Oh, I'm seeing something. 1:2, which is around here. So assuming my target was 1:2, guys, even though I would have still been stopped out before it would hit my target. It actually went to my target too. But I would have still been stopped out. I would have been stopped out already before it hit my target. You see, guys. So I don't just know, Sha. I don't know. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know. I'm just sometimes market just does its thing. That's just it. I don't know. If you guys can tell me anything, if you guys can it's comment anything that is going to make me feel motivated and make me feel inspired and make me feel better, you can just comment it because I don't just know, guys. I don't know. It's just so sad. Okay, let me just adjust this guy. Let me adjust this guy. Just so sad, guys. So sad. I don't know if any of you have been in this kind of situation before, guys. I don't know. So let me just quickly switch to my face. That's just it. I just said, let me show you guys the concept. Let's don't be as if I just enter this trade based on entry sake. No, I am trading from a concept. So that's it, guys. I know I'm very disciplined. Okay, let me just switch to my face and complete the rest and round it off.
Guys, that's just it. I know that throughout this whole competition and throughout the whole thing, like I know I've been trying my best to exhibit some level of discipline. Yeah, I've been trying my best to exhibit some level of discipline, ensuring that I'm following my plan, ensuring that I'm not just taking trades based off emotion or anything, ensuring that I am actually following the concept that I learned to take all this trade. But I don't know why my win rate is just so poor. Like out of this whole period I've traded, I've only won one trade, guys. Just one trade. Just one trade. That was just one trade I've won. The rest has been losses here and there, losses, losses. So I'm just trying to be as realistic as possible, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to be as realistic as possible in the whole of this. I don't want to fake anything, or that's just the reality right here, bro. That's just the reality. So if you know anything that you can tell me in the comment section that will just make me feel good, you can just go ahead and just comment it there. Yeah, help a trader, help a trader, help a trader. But we just have to keep going. We just have to keep pushing. Let's see how it goes. At the end of the competition, I'll show you how everything went and all of that. So that's it regarding everything. Thank you guys for sticking around to this very point, and I'll see you guys on the next trading day. Peace out.